So Maribeth, you're making friselle, right?
Yeah, friselle is like a pugliese kind of dried bread kind of thing. And this is a small size, but sometimes they're really big, and sometimes they're like harder. This is sort of like average friselle. And so what you do is you put them just for like a couple of seconds in the water, like that. And then you need to have a mixture. There's not much basil left here, but you make a mixture of garlic, tomatoes, and salt and basil. And then you
olive oil.
And olive oil. That's important. A lot of people will put, when they make the friselle, they'll put more olive oil on top. They'll like pour some more olive oil on. I'll put a little more on. This is Sicilian olive oil.
Or it could be from Abruzzo, Tuscany.
Mostly Puglia.
And then and have with some rosato.